All I'm hearing is this static on the line. You committed the crime, I'm doing the time. You become the blank pages in my diary, like the lost remote from my TV. You're trying to switch me off, so I'm pulling the plug. So we're in real silence again, like a computer virus. Yeah, you gave me the bug. So we're in real silence again, again. So we're in real silence again. I've given you the blueprints for your life. I built in all of the lines, but not made the design. I program you to fit with my designs. I think I pushed too hard, now I need to rewind. You're trying to